chance slip to see it crack as it hits the floor. You can't hold on to it and hang on to what you had before. Decisions hang in the air, you leave them swinging back and forth. 1,000 reasons to stay, 1,000 reasons to come away, 1,000 reasons to hold on to what you have got in this life anyway. I push for what I really want, so it moves away from me. It's like you set your heart on ice, set a date when you're melted free. Everything